Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at how this massager or foot spa massager, how it operates. Okay, so basically one thing which I noticed is there are tons of instructions. There's so many instructions where you have to never do. Few things which I want to point out is this one. So basically you cannot use the foot spa for more than 15-20 minutes. So let's say 20 minutes is the max, and then you have to give it some time before you can use it for another 20 minutes. So probably you have to give it like 30 minutes of time before using this. So don't use this for more than 20 minutes continuously. So that's one thing. The second thing is you cannot add any bubble bath or salt to the water. So that's something which you cannot do. And the third thing is there's actually a heat function, but this doesn't actually heat the water. So if you pour in cold water, it's going to be cold all your massage time. So if you want to take a massage with hot water, then probably pour in some warm water inside this, and then if you use the heat function, basically it basically heats via all these massage nubs, and so you'll get a slight heat. So don't expect too much of heat from this, so it doesn't happen. Let's look at what all it has. So basically this is the function selector. So basically this one is the function selector, and this is a splash guard, and this one is a massage head. I have no idea. You can actually remove this, but I have no idea now how to use this. There's no instructions given as well. So that's the massage nub, and infrared heat lamp. So this is when you're actually using the heat function. So this comes up in red color. I will show you shortly. So that's the infrared heat lamp. And massage rollers. So these are massage rollers which can be removable. Those are the massage rollers, and this strip here, those are the massage knobs. So that's the key features. One other thing to notice is now before it has to be in the off position. Don't keep it in the on position and then switch the main plug. So don't do that. You can turn on the main plug, keep this in the off position, and then after you put your feet inside this, turn it to any of these functions. That's another thing which is mentioned more than once, so I think that's important. And there is a max level here which is highlighted. There's a small line here, so that's the max level. So you can fill water only till that level. Do not overfill it. Another thing is you can actually keep it less than the max level, because when you use the bubble function, there's actually the water spills a bit outside, and it's not a concern as such, but there is a small spill which comes outside. And one other thing is don't stand on this. You can't stand. This cannot withstand your weight, so don't stand on this. And this is indoor use only. Don't use it for any business purposes. So this product is guaranteed for a period of 2 years from the date of purchase. So that's 2 years warranty there. So let's start using it. So let me turn on. So let's see. Oops, it's actually cold. Let me turn it on. So look at the sound. So it's causing a lot of sound. This is basically the first option here, which is this one. That's the third point here, which is massage from the massage knobs and infrared heat lamp. So in the knobs is actually massage happening, and the infrared is also on. So this function, actually you can use it without water as well. Okay. Look at the sound, right? The sound is disturbing, the floor is kind of vibrating, so it's causing a lot of attention. So that's the first option. Let's look at the second one. Okay, now this is the bubble function. Okay, you can see the bubble now. So this doesn't cause much noise except for the bubbling sound. Other than that, it looks good. You kind of feel that sensation in your feet. It's kind of bubbling. This is basically this one here, bubble function and heat from the massage knobs. But I don't see this infrared LED on, but it says heat from the massage knobs. So that's one thing. So that's the bubble function. And let's look at the last function, which is basically bubble function, heat and massage from the massage knobs and infrared. So basically, this is everything. Everything will be on. So let's try that. So it's going to be noisy again. There you go. So you see the bubble. You also see this vibration, and this infrared LED on as well. So this, you see the water actually spills a bit outside. Not a big concern as such, but there's this water droplets. You can see it outside the machine. Even if you pour in cold water, you don't feel the heat, but it kind of warms, so you don't feel the actual cold water. So let's go back to the bubble function. This is just the bubble with heat from the massage knobs. Alright, and then the last function, which is no bubble, massage from the massage knobs and the heat function. It's kind of good. I mean, there's the sensation in your feet, so it's good. Okay, now let's turn it off. See how silent it is after turning it off. So now you know how noisy the device is. So that's it, friends, for this video. So that's the functioning of the foot spa, which I purchased from Amazon. I will give you the product link in the description. Not a bad product, it's good. Just that the noisy is a concern, but other than that, everything looks good to me. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel for further videos, share it with your friends and family members as well. Thanks again for watching the video. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.